Grade 8, Lesson 6, Factoring Trinomial in the form of x squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So, as we observed, the first term, there is an imaginary one. It is numerical. But any variable has contained imaginary one. So, what we are going to do this is we are going to factor. So how we will be factoring trinomial? So let's come over with my discussion and focus it. So now we are going to factor this one. Example, x squared plus 8x plus 15. So first, focus directly on the constant or the third term. So find the factor of 15. What are the factor of 15? So which is the two numbers that we're going to multiply, the result is 15. So now factor of 15, it could be 15 times 1. So it equals 15. Or another factor, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. So after that one, make sure that if we're going to add, the result is in the second term. So our second term is 8. So make sure if we're going to add, the result is 8. So 5 plus 15 plus 1, that becomes 16. Since we are looking for 8, since the answer is 16, so they are not equal. So since this is not our factor that we're going to use. Now, how about 5 plus 3? So 5 plus 3, that is 8. Since we're looking for 8, so this is our factor. So ngayon, this time, in this case, we're going to make two parentheses. So, and we'll have x. So now, why is it x? Where did we get x? So x, we get x because of the first term. We split the x. Since if we are going to multiply x times x, x squared. So we have x here. And now, then we are going to base the two factor here of 15. So 5 plus 5, since it is positive, and positive 3. So, and now we conclude that this is the factor of this trinomial equation. Okay, so this is how we factor trinomial. Okay, next, we will proceed to example number 2. So now we proceed to example number 2. So we have another trinomial form. So since as what I said a while ago, let's focus the constant or the third term. So what is the factor of the third term? That's the two numbers that we're going to multiply. The result is 12. So it could be, we will multiply 12 times 1, or 6 times 2, or 4 times 3, or 1 times 12, or 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. So now we're going to add the factor if the result is 7. So we're looking number 7. So 12 plus 1, that this is 13. So this is not equal. So x natin yan. About 6 plus 2, this is 8. So now we are looking 7. So this is not our factor. We're going to use 4 plus 3, this is 7. Now we are looking for 7. So this is equal. Since it is equal, so we're going to use 4 and 3 now. So we are going to have a factor. So make two parentheses. So x splitting the first term, and use the factor. Since it's positive, plus 4, and the other one is plus 3. Okay, that's it, and we conclude that this is the factor of a this trinomial form. So now I hope you understand this factoring trinomial in the form of standard form, which is x squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now we proceed number 3. Okay, so we have another examples of a trinomial, and we're going to do as same as what we do a while ago. We're going to factor this trinomial. Okay, so as what I said, focus on the third term, which is or the constant. So what is the factor of 9? Factor of 9, it could be 9 times 1 or 3 times 3. Okay, so now, or we could have another one here, the result. Negative 1 times negative 9. Negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9. And negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. So now we're going to find negative 6. So we're going to add, if it's 6, 9 plus 1, this is 10. So since we are looking 6, so this is not equal. So if we're going to add the 2, so next negative 1 plus negative 9, this is negative 10. Okay, hindi. Since we are looking to negative 6, cancel x. How about 3 plus 3? It's 6. Oh, so is it 6, but they are different signs. So this is not our factor that we're going to use. How about negative 3 plus negative 3? Same sign, add. So it becomes negative 6. So this is the equal of the second term of this trinomial. So we are going to use this factor. Now we are going to make 2 parentheses. So x, that one x. Since negative 3, we will write negative 3, and the other one is negative 3. Now we conclude that this is the final answer or final factor of this trinomial. Okay, and I hope you understand again. And you want more example? Okay, I have one example again. Okay, so we have here another examples. So we're going to factor this trinomial again. So first, focus the third term. Factor of the third term, it could have 72 times negative 1. Another factor is negative 36 times 2. Or another factor could be negative 9 times 8. Okay, and could be 12 times negative 6. Okay, so now we're going to try an error. If we're going to add, we're looking for number 6. Okay, so 72 plus negative 1, this is 71. Different sign, subtract. So this is not our factor that we are going to use. How about negative 36 plus 2? So it's 34. So it's not our what we are looking for. So it's x. How about negative 9 plus 8? This is 1. Hindi. So it's cancel because we're looking, as what I said, we are looking number 6. How about 12 plus negative 6? This is 6. Oh, so now we get number 6, which is equal to the second term. Now we are going to make the 2 parentheses, same as what we did a while ago. So x, because of x squared, x, copy the positive 12 and positive 12 and negative 6. And now we conclude that this is the final factor of this equation of a trinomial form. And these all our examples, and I hope you learn more. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you follow these videos so that you can learn more and everything. Thank you for your support, and thank you. Love you, and bye-bye.